Module 4 is entitled Power and the Structure of Conflict. Just as energy is a fundamental concept in physics, power is a fundamental concept in conflict theory. Analyzing power helps you learn more about dealing with situations of extreme power imbalances, such as violence and verbal abuse, bullying, and economic disempowerment. Constructive use of power solves problems. It also enhances relationships and balances power, at least during particular interactions. Upon completion of this lesson, you should be able to identify the structure of conflict. Explain the relational theory of power. Recognize how to balance power. Also, be able to explain the difference between real and perceived power. Demonstrate constructive ways to use power. And finally, recognize the difference in passivity, aggression, and assertion.